Hi, my name's Justin. I've come over from the UK for the lens replacement procedure. From the initial conversations that I had with my chaperone, Batu, the conversation has flowed. I've had all of the information I've needed prior to getting here and been looked after very well whilst here as well. I've been to Turkey before for other procedures with other clinics, but I must say the service that I've had from Batu and the surgeon has been far superior than anything else that I've had from any other clinic. I've been met at the hotel by Batu, and he's kept me informed on everything throughout the procedure, and I'm sure even when I'm back in the UK he'll be on WhatsApp if I need any information from him at all. The medication that I've needed after the procedure has been very clear and everything has been spelt out well. I will be coming back to CatchLife later in the year for another procedure based on the experience that I've had this time.